Hey, welcome to the first episode of How to Make Monk DevOps Agent Work for You. First, I'm going to show you how to install the Monk plugin in your coding agent. It's super easy and takes around 2 minutes. Before we start, a quick mental model on how it works. You talk to your coding agent, like you already do. Your agent writes the code and talks to Monk through the plugin. And Monk does all the actual ops work, deploying and running your apps on your own cloud, autonomously. Real traffic, real users, real infrastructure, not a sandbox. Monk works with Cursor, Claude Code, Codex, Antigravity, and any other agent compatible with Skills and MCP. Install Monk on as many machines and agents as you want. Your account follows you around, pointing at the same workspace everywhere. Getting started is easy, just 2 steps. First, sign up for a Monk account. Go to monk.io and click Get Started. Sign up with your email, Google, or GitHub account. No credit card required. Your Monk account with a free 5-day pro trial is now active. Click on the coding agent you use and follow the install instructions. Installing Monk works like any other plugin, whether it's from your agent's official marketplace or added manually. Monk is listed in Cursor's official marketplace, so that's the example I'll use. Now, let's install the Monk plugin. In Cursor, go to Customize tab. Search for Monk. Click Add to Cursor on the Monk plugin details page. The plugin is installed. Click Try and Chat to try Monk in new Cursor chat. Click Authenticate when Cursor asks to connect to Monk. Browser window pops up. Confirm the connection and get back to Cursor. Cursor finishes connecting and Monk is ready to work. Now every time you want to invoke Monk agent in your chat, just type /monk. Before we wrap, if Monk isn't responding after install, don't worry, it's almost always a quick fix. A few things to try in order. First, just ask your agent, is Monk fully functional? And tell it to troubleshoot the Monk setup. 9 times out of 10, it'll diagnose and fix itself. If that doesn't do it, make sure you're authenticated. Look for the MCP settings in your agent and click Authenticate next to Monk. Still nothing? Restart your agent so it freshly picks up the plugin. And if all else fails, uninstall the Monk plugin and install it again. Clean slate. Hit an actual bug or have any issues? There are 2 easy ways to let us know. Right from your agent. Just prompt /monk, I would like to report a bug, and describe what happened. Monk takes it from there. Or head to monk.io/dashboard and click the bug icon in the top left corner. Link in description. Either way, we'll reach out by email and help you get unstuck. That's it. Monk agent is now ready to deploy your apps in your own cloud. Head over to part 2, deployment, to see it in action. Links in the description. Best part, Monk and your coding agent will do all the work for you. See you there!